Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated superfoods on the planet, legumes. That's right, beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. These humble little foods might just be the key to living longer, feeling better, and keeping your body in top shape. So, should you be eating them every single day? Let's find out. 1. Why legumes are extraordinary. Okay, so first, what exactly are legumes? Legumes include beans, peas, and lentils. And get this, in the official dietary guidelines, they actually count as both a protein and a vegetable. Yep, they're double agents for your health. They're packed with protein, iron, and zinc, just like meat, but also loaded with fiber, folate, and potassium, just like veggies. Basically, they're the best of both worlds. The American Institute for Cancer Research even recommends them for cancer prevention, and studies link regular legume consumption to longevity, especially in older adults. They help regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol and inflammation, and reduce the risk of stroke, depression, and certain cancers. So, here's the question. Do you eat legumes every day? 2. Various types of legumes. Now, let's talk variety, because legumes aren't just beans. We've got lentils, peas, split peas, chickpeas, soybeans. And they show up in so many delicious dishes, Mexican chili or burritos, creamy hummus, Indian curries, soy milk, tofu, or edamame. Even sprouted legumes on salads. And yes, legume pasta is totally a thing. But here's the crazy part, our legume consumption today is about 30 times lower than it was 200 years ago. Why? Misinformation about soy, fear of anti-nutrients, worries about gas, we'll get to that, and the idea that beans take too long to cook. Stick around, because we're busting all those myths. 3. What about soy products? Let's clear the air about soy. Soybeans are unique because they're higher in healthy fats than most other legumes. But fun fact, around 75% of the world's soy goes to feed livestock, not humans. Only about 7% ends up as food for us. And those rumors about soy messing with your hormones. Total myth. The phytoestrogens in soy are actually protective and health promoting when eaten in moderation. The healthiest soy forms: edamame, tempeh, that's fermented soybeans, tofu and soy milk, also great, just slightly less nutrient dense. Try to avoid ultra-processed soy-like textured vegetable protein, which can mimic some of the less desirable effects of animal proteins. 4. What about anti-nutrients? Ah yes, the anti-nutrient debate. You might have heard that beans contain things like lectins, protease inhibitors, or phytic acid. But here's the truth, cooking destroys those compounds. Many of them are actually beneficial phytonutrients. For example, phytic acid might slightly reduce mineral absorption, but your body adapts, and it also helps regulate blood sugar and acts as an antioxidant. Bottom line. Anti-nutrients aren't villains, they're misunderstood superheroes. 5. Preparation methods. Now, let's make legumes easy. You can toss them in chili, burritos, curries, soups, salads, even brownies or oatmeal. Yes, black bean brownies are amazing, don't knock them till you try them. If you want convenience, go for canned or frozen, they're just as nutritious as home-cooked. Just rinse canned beans to remove about 40% of the sodium. Cooking from dry. Red lentils are your quick win, they cook like pasta. Beans and chickpeas take longer, but soaking overnight helps. Or, use a pressure cooker, game changer. 6. Fear of flatulence. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say the music of beans? Yes, legumes can cause gas at first, but don't worry. Around 70% of new legume eaters adapt after just 3 weeks. To minimize discomfort, soak your beans. Start small. Begin with easy to digest legumes like mung beans or lentils. And use gut-friendly spices like cloves, cinnamon, garlic, turmeric, and ginger. Your gut microbiome will adjust, promise. 7. The second meal effect. Here's something wild: legumes don't just lower blood sugar after you eat them, they keep your blood sugar lower for your next meal too. It's called the second meal effect, meaning your body handles carbs and sugars more smoothly for hours after eating beans. That means lower insulin levels, better cholesterol, and a healthier metabolism overall. Even your cheat meals become a little healthier when legumes are in the mix. 8. Protein in legumes. Legumes are both protein and veggies, a 2-for-1 deal. They contain 25 to 35% protein by calories, and while plant proteins can be incomplete, pairing legumes with whole grains, like rice or whole wheat, gives you all the essential amino acids. So yes, you can absolutely meet your protein needs without animal products. 9. Impulses for action, conclusion. So, let's recap. Legumes are superfoods, rich, versatile, and science-backed. Soy is healthy, myths busted. Anti-nutrients. Overblown. Preparation. Easy. Gas. Temporary. And the second meal effect. Impressive. They're affordable, sustainable, and can literally help prevent cancer and chronic disease. So, what are your favorite legumes, and how do you enjoy them? Tell me in the comments. Personally, I can't get enough of creamy hummus made from chickpeas and crispy baked tempeh from soybeans. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who still thinks beans are boring. Thanks for watching, and remember, a bean a day keeps the doctor away.